other day taught me a lot. I was freezing, my toe fell off, I heard some rattling in my shoe. But today we got upper, lower 50s, I don't know. But after you go out there and freeze, it kind of makes days like these better. So I'm one of those where unfortunately I can ride all 4 seasons. Even if I'm frozen, I'm still one of those guys. I'm going to get out there. I'm from Florida originally, so this is my 3rd year up here in the Carolinas. It does get a little bit nippier up here. But now that I'm getting used to it, it's nice. It's actually really nice. Just throw the liner in the jacket. Make sure you double up on some socks. I need to get some boots so that these breathable Nikes let my little piggies survive the winter. But I like to make content all year round for you guys because I know a lot of you guys have to tuck the bikes up. The bikes are already tucked away. You can't ride. You got ice on the ground. That sucks. I get it. So very fortunate that I can get out here on my day off and get some mental free time and enjoy the Victory Gunner. Gonna let the 106 eat today. Woo! Oh, blah, 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 blah. You already know. That's how she rolls, man. I'm definitely gonna add another Victory in the Killa stable one day. It's gotta happen. I need a black one. Whether polished black or matte gray, gunner, hammer, I don't care. I'm gonna get another one day. There's my neighbor down the street has one. It matches the Stang. I need to make friends with him and just so that I can possibly buy it one day. Just joking. I need a riding partner too, but yeah, if I could finesse that somehow, I'm coming after that bike. But I had this thought the other day, with all these electric vehicles coming out, Tesla booming, how many more years do you think until we have electric cruisers and electric sport bikes? I think honestly I would have one in the garage. My only downside on that is there wouldn't be an exhaust noise, and I'm not trying to do a daily 100 and not have any noise behind it and just get clobbered by somebody. That's not ideal. So I'd be one of those guys, whether I get an electric car or bike, I'd put a PA on it and I'd just have exhaust noise just booming out of nowhere. We just make it an exhaust app, and then it goes into the computer, and whatever your RPMs are at, it just throws out louder noises. I just made somebody so much money with that idea. It's okay, you can take it, just you got to give it to me for free, okay? But seriously though, how cool would it be to just ride around? You don't have to worry about gas or like an adventure bike. You just bring an extra battery instead of extra gas tanks. You know how sick that would be? I was watching Jake the Garden Snake the other day with his, I think it's an FC07 or FC09 that he made into a adventure bike. Man, I've been watching him for years, but that's just kind of the coolest thing you can do. Mad respect for that. But imagine if we can get to one day when I'm a little bit older and I have an adventure bike and we just plop in different batteries. You know how cool that would be? And you just have motorcycle charging stations while you're eating, doing whatever. It takes like 5 minutes. That's probably 10 years down the road. I would never go full electric though. This gunner would always be in the garage. I'd be getting stared down by everybody who hates gas guzzling vehicles. I'm still going to be that guy with the Mustang V8 crowd hitter. I know it's only a matter of time before we go full electric, but like I said, I'm still going to be that guy on my days off, enjoying the gunner, the Stang, the BMW, whatever. Little freight train right there. Let me know what you would think of electric motorcycles, whether it's a cruiser, a sport bike, or like a dual sport bike. Let me know down in the comments what you think about that, because I really don't think we're too far from that. And now that you have big states like California, after 2030, they're not producing any gas guzzling vehicles. How many are more likely to follow, you know? So in 10 years, there's no telling what there's going to be on the market. But the different types of vehicles that we're going to see in our lifetime is going to be insane. I don't even want to know what this electric wave will do to the motorcycle community and just in general. You can already see what Tesla's doing with these cars. The amount of torque that you get instantly with electric motors is insane. And they're proving that time and time again. So imagine what these bikes are going to feel like, as lightweight as they are. I'm really excited for that. I think that's going to be a huge milestone. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy my gas guzzling 106 cubic inch Victory Gunner. I hope you guys like this new camera angle. I'm rocking the new helmet today. I got the GoPro right up front. It looked beautiful on the BMW, so I'm expecting nothing less on the Gunner. I'm ready for this pandemic to pass so that my dad could come up here and he could jump on the Gunner and I'll go slow on the BMW. I also have a coworker who's looking to getting into riding. I love to see it in new riders' eyes, that look when they're starting to look into motorcycles and doing their course and this, that, and the other. It reminds me of myself and how excited I was. So for any new rider, I always say just make that jump. It is definitely worth it. Just take your time. Not everyone's going to be a Rossi, but this is beyond one of my favorite pastimes and things to do. Leave down in the comments what age you started riding. I think mine was 17 on the Suzuki SV650S. I don't care how old you are. Get out there and start riding. It's going to change your life. There's always going to be those naysayers, but if you just watch that throttle control and you take your time with it, you're going to be okay. Got the black Dimes jeans on today. Code Killakam to save. Link will be down in the description. Definitely go check those out. Thanks for watching this video. Just an old school video. Comment down 106 if you watched till the end. Thank you for watching. Videos every Wednesday. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Y'all take it easy. Killakam out.